How do you think trolls coordinate? Like, do you believe most trolling is a solo activity, or have you seen troll raids?
Trolling would definitely be better with friends, just
Mm.
generally, because you got a group of people to gang up on one person. It's more of a social aspect. If you do it with friends, you'll probably end up being a troll for a long time. But if you do it by yourself, there's a chance you'll be dragged down to the depths of furry hell, where you might turn into a furry, saying you should leave, or peer pressuring you to yell at someone, basically.
Mm.
You don't see that many solo people unless they're like streaming it to like a Discord call and with a group of friends specifically coming in to cause issues and record for fun.
And you can tell they're
Or if
streaming
you're a content creator.
because they're carrying a camera with them?
Once in a while, when it's kind of common for them to double mic, which is the term for talking in VR chat and Discord at the same time. You'll probably hear them speaking to someone in the background. That's usually on Discord. It's just assuming.
So, either way, to some degree, trolls are being connected socially and being reinforced socially. Even if they're alone in here, they've got people they're anticipating watching or presently watching. And so that harm is like it's a high of sorts of I'm going to cause a reaction in people and then everyone's going to laugh at it somewhere else or here. Okay. Are there any games out there where you think they're like